Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm on a boat. I decided to come here and do some kayaking, do some outdoor activity. I have 30 minutes for $10, which I think that's a really good deal. And yeah, I've never done kayak, I've never kayaked before, so this is my first time, and so far it's going well. Obviously I am wet, my legs are wet, but I haven't fallen, so I think that's good. I'm just here resting my arms a little bit, and I'm gonna try to get some footage of me kayaking. Okay, you guys are on my legs. Okay, let's go. Okay. So I'm turning to that way. I'm gonna do a few strokes that side. Oh my god, there's a dog. Somebody brought the dog. Okay. So now I am straight. I'm straight. Oh my god, I don't want to bump into it. You guys can see me better now. Maybe I'm gonna continue this way because it's good quality of the video, right? Ooh. Dear Jesus, sweet Lord. Oh my God. Maybe okay. I'm not the best kayaker, right? This is fun. Oh no! I'm very wet. There's more boats over there, and they have different kinds. So the other day I went to the botanical garden. It was a really warm, hot summer day. It was like 34 degrees. So I took a stroll in the garden and in the trail, and I went to the different parts of the garden that they have. So I went to this place called the Chinese Garden, and it's kind of like a small museum where they have different artifacts and interesting facts too about China or the the Chinese culture. So this was inside the little house of the Chinese garden. And this was outside, so they had two little Chinese museum or Chinese houses, and each of them had different facts and artifacts inside of them. So this is the second one. Then I went back outside into the trail and I walked all the way up to the indigenous or aboriginal or Native American, Native Canadian space of the botanical garden. So as y'all can see, the layout is very different from the Chinese garden because all of the artifacts and details are pretty much outside. It's not in a building, and I thought that was interesting. Well guys, that is it for today. I hope that this video was interesting. I hope that you liked it, you enjoyed it, and if you did like it, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends, okay? I will see you next time in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself.